Hey guys, Travis the Fly Fishing Texan here. A little bit different video today. I'm actually filming this intro at the end of the day. I wasn't really going to film, just had my phone on me and decided to go ahead and start filming once I started catching a lot of fish. Hey, stay tuned, check it out. So as I said in the intro, I wasn't planning on filming, and I was just taking a few pictures at first, but whenever things really heated up and I found the fly that they were biting on, I couldn't resist finishing out some pictures and then getting in some video. So keep on watching and you're going to see some great video and some great fish. All right, pulling in another one. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make a video of this, or if I did, but let's see if I only have my cell phone here. See if I can not drop my cell phone and get you guys a look at a fish, like live action. Shoot. Little green sunfish. Boom. There he is. Okay, let's get him off real quick. Alright guys, so been just slaying at green sunfish, long ear sunfish, little bass. You guys have seen the pictures. Just here on Brushy Creek, and let's let him back. Alright. It's a little higher and faster than I thought it was going to be today. But anyway, been just kind of throwing up against these logs and just low and slow, you know, throwing like number 16 nymphs and number 18 nymphs, and just throwing them in and kind of floating along here. If I can set up the camera, I'll try to get something on the camera for you guys, showing you how I'm doing it. Alright. Hope you guys are able to see this okay with the light. Kind of getting later. Anyway, nice little long ear sunfish. Like I said, just a little number 16 kind of nymph. This is a little nymph combination, or little nymph, just multicolor deal. Anyway, just low and slow. Let him go. And off he swims. Nice little long ear sunfish. Gone. A little guy. There you go. Good one. It's a good fish. I threw on this side of the current. That is a good fish. It's a bass. Woo! Nice little pound bass. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! Oh man, nice little Brushy Creek pound bass right there. Oh, look at that, guys. Beautiful. So actually, there we go, guys. There he is. So actually threw on this side of the current instead of going out to those trees, and just low and slow. That's what it'll get you in the winter. Nice bass. Let's go ahead and get a release on that guy. Whoop. Look, he just ran right up under here. Alright guys, getting kind of hard to see, getting a little dark, so we're going to go ahead and head out of here. Alright guys, so just a little recap of the day. Was only out here for just a couple hours, if even that. I was at work and decided, man, I just want to get out and go fish for a few hours, or a couple hours. Got to go back to work here in a minute, but anyway. So it's one of those days where it got up to, I don't know, maybe 65 or so. We're of course here in Texas, and on days like that you can normally get out and get on your local river, get on your local creek, and go have some fun with your fly rod. You know, much colder than that, it gets kind of hard when you're in the 40s and 50s, but in the south you get a 60, you know, or even one of those freak 70-degree days. During the winter, you can have a lot of fun. I definitely suggest that you break out your fly rod and go take advantage of it when you get a warm day like this. Anyways, guys, the nymph was the, you know, little number 16 nymph. Can't really show you guys, but I had a picture that I can insert right here. Anyways, so little number 16, number 18 nymphs work good. Just low and slow. Just let that sucker drift along. Just, you know, just let that thing drift. Kind of going out of focus, sorry guys. But anyways, just let that nymph drift along, you know, pretty slow. You have to really fish, you know, in the spring, you know, here in the South, in the spring and the summer, you can fish aggressive and fast and all that, and that's so much fun. But during the winter, you just got to let it go. Just let it drift, just like you're nymphing for trout or something like that. Just let it drift, take your time, and you'll be surprised what you pick up. I was not expecting to pick up, you know, the bass that I did today. I was expecting to get some sunfish, you know, some guys like that, maybe a cichlid or something, but man, really, really fun surprise with the bass, and really nice bass for Brushy Creek, especially during the winter. So anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. Promise there's going to be some trout fishing. I might insert a clip here real quick that shows you my last experience down in New Braunfels on the Guadalupe near Action Angler. Just didn't work. The water was way too high, way too fast. But I promise, as soon as the water levels get down again, because we got a little bit of rain again, I will get down there. I will make some time, and we'll get some trout on this channel. I promise, guys. Sorry for the long pause. Just been a lot of work recently for me. Might be some space in between the next videos, but I'm not giving up. Fly Fishing Texan is here, guys. I love you. God bless. Have a great day. Enjoy your Christmas. We'll see you on the next one. My phone fell. All right. But anyways, I just wanted to go ahead and